Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. The Chinese character we are learning today is the color word bai, which is white in English. Bai is a HSK2 Chinese word. This Chinese character by itself is also an adverb. Before we study this word as an adverb, let us see how this Chinese character is used as a verb, an adjective, and a noun. Examples of "白" as a noun. 白日梦白日梦 daydream 白痴白痴 idiot. Examples of 白 as a verb. 白费白费 waste. 坦白坦白 honest or to confess. Examples of 白 as an adjective. 苍白苍白 pale. 洁白洁白 spotlessly white. Okay, now let us look at 白 as an adverb and how to use it. When using 白 as an adverb, you can use 白 or Bai Bai. These two means in vain or not getting any result. However, there are some differences between these two adverbs. Bai can modify simple verbs, monosyllabic verbs, but Bai Bai cannot. You can say 白教白教 to teach in vain. 白养白养 to raise a child in vain, but you cannot say 白白教 or 白白养. Bai and Bai Bai can both modify complex verbal phrases. You can say 白等了一天白等了一天 or 白白等了一天白白等了一天 waited in vain for a day. Sentence examples of "bye" and "bye bye." 对不起，让你白跑了一趟。对不起，让你白跑了一趟。Sorry to make you run all this way for nothing. 不要白白的浪费掉你的时间。不要白白的浪费掉你的时间。Don't dawdle your time away. 天下没有白吃的午餐。天下没有白吃的午餐。Nothing is free in this world. 反正你也看不懂，看了也是白 看，反正你也看不懂，看了也是白看。Don't waste time watching since you can't understand it anyway. 他不会白白给你钱的。他不会白白给你钱的。He won't give you money for nothing. Word collocation. 词语搭配。白干，白干。Work for nothing or work in vain. 白拿，白拿。Taking something for free. 不吃白不吃，不吃白不吃。Since it's free, just eat it. 白忙了半天，白忙了半天。Toil in vain for long hours. 白白忙了半天，白白忙了半天。Toil in vain for long hours. That is all we have for you today. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are interested in our videos. Thank you. 我们的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。